Hello friends, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Have you ever noticed that when cars go on the reverse gear and an object is very near the car, an alarm gets triggered warning that the distance between the object and the car is very less and there may be a chance of collision? The sensor which detects the distance between the object and the car is called as the ultrasonic sensor. Its other applications are used in a blind man's stick, where it shall warn the blind man if he's about to hit an object. Guys, today we will make a miniature model which displays that how far an object is and triggers an alarm when the object is too near. So guys, for this project we require an ultrasonic sensor, an Arduino Uno board, a breadboard, a few male-to-male jump wires, two LEDs, two resistors, and a buzzer. So guys, as you can see, this is the ultrasonic sensor HC-SR04. It works on the principle of sound waves. This part of the sensor triggers the ultrasonic waves. When an obstacle comes in front of the waves get reflected back. And this part of the sensor receives the reflected waves. So guys, this was a demonstration of our ultrasonic project. Guys, now I will demonstrate the construction of project. So friends, this is the project which we will do today. As you can see, here is our ultrasonic sensor which I just described, the buzzer and the two LEDs. Guys, as you can see, this ultrasonic sensor has 4 pins: VCC, trig, eco and ground. So guys, the VCC and the ground pins have been connected to the respective parts. Now this is the trig pin. Trig stands for trigger. So guys, this pin has been connected to the digital pin number 10. It activates the trigger part of the ultrasonic sensor to send the sound waves. And echo is the part which receives the waves. It has been connected to digital port number 9. So guys, whenever an obstacle comes in front of the ultrasonic sensor, my buzzer will get triggered and the LEDs start glowing. Now let me show you the simulation. So guys, as you can see, the object has come and the buzzer and the LEDs have been triggered. Now I will show you the real output of the project when I did it on Arduino Uno. Guys, as you can see, I have rigged up the circuit. I have placed two cars here. Let us assume that this ultrasonic sensor has been placed on this car. And when I take my car in reverse, my LED and the buzzer will glow. Watch it. Guys, I have dumped the code here. Code link in the description. As you can see, I have written a condition over here that if my distance is less than or equal to 10 centimeter, then my both LEDs will glow and my buzzer is triggered to 1000 Hertz frequency. And when the distance is less than or equal to 25 centimeter, then only my first LED will glow, my second LED remains off and there is no buzzer. And when the distance is greater than 25 centimeter, which means we are at a safe distance, both the LEDs and the buzzer do not get alarmed. So guys, as you can see, here is my code. Now I will show you the output. So as you can see, I have placed my project as the code says, and I am taking my car in reverse. So guys, as you see, I have just crossed 25 centimeter and my first LED has started glowing. And as you see, I am going back, and as soon as I cross 10 centimeter, both my LEDs glow and my buzzer gets triggered. So guys, this was our project. So guys, now I will explain the code part. In this part of the code, In this part of the code, I have defined all the pin numbers of my components. Here I have described the pin mode of my components. Guys, remember the trig pin is output as it sends the waves and my eco pin is the input as it receives the waves. Guys, here for this, to calculate the distance, we need to first generate a pulse. So for I have generated my pulse over here, and I have saved my time in duration variable. So I have calculated the distance using speed into time formula. Here, the speed of sound in air is 340 meters per second, and it's first getting transmitted and then being received. So I have divided it by 2. Guys, in this condition, as you can see, I have explained it before. So guys, now I will show you my output on the serial monitor as well. So guys, as you can see, this car is at a distance of about 32 centimeter from the sensor. Now I'm going to take my car in reverse, and now as you can see, the distance is decreasing, and I have just crossed 25 centimeters, and my first LED is glowing as I showed before. And now I am decreasing my length to about 10 centimeter. As you can now see, the distance is coming 9 centimeter, and buzzer and my LEDs have been triggered. So guys, as you saw, this was our today's project using the ultrasonic sensor. Guys, this is a really interesting project. Link of the code available in the description below. Thank you guys for watching the video. Stay home, stay safe, keep learning. Thank you.